Hello, and welcome to this video about the SAP Business One SDK. We'll be taking a comprehensive overview of the add-on development possibilities it offers. SAP Business One is a comprehensive ERP solution for small and medium-sized businesses, integrating core processes like finance, sales, and operations. The SDK is essential because businesses need customization to meet unique workflows that standard ERP systems cannot fully address. The SDK is a software development kit providing tools and APIs to extend and customize SAP Business One functionality. Its purpose is to enable developers to create seamless add-ons, and it allows for integration with external systems, databases, and third-party applications. Standard SAP often has limitations, such as predefined workflows that might not match specific processes or limited support for industry-specific requirements. The SDK provides flexibility by allowing you to build custom workflows, add industry-specific features, connect via APIs, and create unlimited custom reports. The core SDK components include the DI API for data operations and business logic access, the UI API for customizing the user interface, and the service layer, a REST-based API for web and mobile integration. An add-on is a self-contained custom application that extends SAP Business One capabilities. It offers seamless integration by appearing as a native part of the interface and provides enhanced functionality by adding new business processes, automations, and reports. Add-on development possibilities include designing custom forms for specific business processes and automating workflow tasks like approvals and data validations. You can also build multi-level approval systems with conditional logic and implement real-time notifications via email or SMS, as well as create advanced custom reports. Integration capabilities include external API integration, allowing connection to services like WhatsApp and CRM platforms. Additionally, it supports mobile and web integration for building companion mobile apps and customer web portals, and enabling remote data access. Key technologies used include C# with the .NET framework as the primary development language. Visual Studio is the official IDE, providing necessary debugging tools and project templates. The SAP B1 SDK tools offer essential libraries, documentation, and utilities for smooth integration. In summary, the SAP Business One SDK offers full customization, empowering complete control over functionality and user experience. This unlocks unlimited possibilities for ERP customization to perfectly match any business process.